everybody! Today I am in Roblox and we are going to be playing Natural Disaster Survival. Okay, let's just start playing now because I want to start playing because, why not? So we're already in a map here and it seems pretty weird actually. So let's just go over here. Yeah. Let's try to climb this tall building. Oh no, earthquake! Ah! Okay, you need to stay outside, away from tall structures. Okay. Okay. Jump over these things. Okay. Everything is like so shaky. Everything's so shaky. Oh my gosh. Okay. Get away from that building. Get away from that building. Ah! Okay. Oh no. I kinda died. Oh wow. What? Look at that. Oh, sparkles. Okay, I saw sparkles. I love sparkles. Ah, okay. I gotta go over here. Ah, okay. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. The map looks so cool, and I think I died. Yep, I died. Look at me, I died. Ah, okay. So, yeah, let's just go over to, the top now, shall we? We shall. Okay. Let's go over to the top, and, alright, so this is like a bird's eye view, I guess. Hi. Okay. Hello there. I'm saying hi to the people. Hello. Okay, that's enough. Let's just go over here because I want to. Let's go look at the board. Okay. Top 10 survivalists. Okay, that's boring. Ooh, what's this? Okay. Need a lift. Pick up a green balloon of your own. Click now, just 80 Robux. Seriously, I don't have 80 Robux. That's just ridiculous. I don't even really know how to get Robux. Alright, next map, Trailer Park. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna go all the way to the very top of that building. Right there. I don't even know what it is. I think it may be a water tower. Okay, there's a ton of people. Oh, they kicked me off. They're mean. Okay, let's go over here because they're just bombarding me. Okay. I'm just gonna let her take some time there. Okay. And go up. Go all the way up. Okay, there it is. Whee! Climb up. Oh, there's actually more people up here than I thought there would. Meteor shower. Okay, we need to get down. Okay, ouch. That hurt. Okay, let's get down a little more safely here. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, this is my shelter. Never mind, that's not my shelter. Okay, we need to watch for the skies. Okay, run and hide. Okay, I'm just gonna hide in here. Oh, this looks like it's been hit before. Okay, there's already a person in here. Okay, wait, that was not inside. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, okay. Whee! Okay, I'm just gonna watch for a meteor. If a meteor hits the building that I'm in, because, yeah. Oh no, I think a meteor hit the building. Did I die? Come on, did I die? Okay, sit next to Eagle Man here. Oh no, guys, I totally died. How did I do that? Oh, a meteor just hit me. Okay, let's just go back up here and watch the rest of the meteor shower happen because, I just want to watch the rest of it. That's all I want to do. Okay, I'm going to do something crazy. Ready? Whee! I totally jumped off and died. Next map, Lucky Mart. Let's go. Alright, so, where should I go first? Okay, so I'm going to, there's a big cloud above me. So, I think I'm just going to go in the building, like this green building, because it looks like, Shrek. What are these people doing over here? I totally don't know. Okay, why are they just climbing this thing? What? Oh, you can get to the top? Oh, I'm so going up to the top right now. I'm, totally going up to the top right now. Alright. Jump. Oh. Acid rain, stay indoors. Okay, obviously, I can't go in there now because it's dangerous. Oh, wait. What? What is this? What? Okay, I'm just gonna reset my character because, yeah. Let's go see what these people are doing up here. This seems very interesting. Oh, one person fell off. I'm gonna do the same. Okay, let's zoom out and ready? Whee! That looks so cool when you zoom out of it. It just looks so awesome. Alright, everybody, so I think that is it for my Roblox natural disaster survival. And I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and and to join the fun family, please subscribe. And I'm just, yeah. Ooh, that guy has, that guy looks so cool. I'm totally standing by him because he has super big wings. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!